Hi folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jacksonville Beach. Today I'm standing on an all-new 2026 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. The Montauk is actually one of the most popular Boston whalers ever sold, and for very good reasons. This boat is really a do-anything boat on the water. Not only do you have a ton of space back here, but if you just look at the aft section, one of the cool features they not only provide you with a backrest seat here back by the motor in the aft section, but if you're not using it to be cruising out to the sandbar or going out for a nice day on the water, if you want to fish the boat, then you can take these backrests out and then you have extra rod holders in the back. It's a very functional convertible boat that allows you to do multiple things on the water at one time. When you look up here at the helm station, not only do you have a great convertible helm seat that can be translated back and forth if you're out fishing, but this live well also doubles as a great cooler. It's a huge space and it's tapped overboard, which allows you not to have to deal with macerators pumping the water overboard. Everything's gravity fed down into the water. It's one of the greatest boats that Boston Whaler makes, the Montauk series. Would love for you to come out and take a look at this boat. Again, my name's Will Porter with MarineMax. Would love to see you soon.